Researchers have found an interesting connection from the COVID vaccine and asthma. A new study found that kids with asthma were less symptomatic when they lived in communities with higher COVID vaccination rates. Health and wellness reporter Lauren Petty has more.
A new study found a reason why kids with asthma may have reached for their inhalers less by living in certain communities.
In communities where there are higher COVID vaccination rates, there are fewer kids who have asthma symptoms.
Dr. Lakshmi Halasamani co-authored the study that looked at statewide COVID vaccination rates and compared parent-reported symptoms for asthmatic children before the COVID vaccine.
Then we looked at what were the rates of parental reporting of children's asthma symptoms post-vaccination, and we found a significant decrease.
Illinois, for example, with a vaccination rate of 75% in 2020-2021, saw a drop in reported asthma symptoms in kids by 1.5%. For every 10 percentage point increase in the COVID vaccination rate by state, the researchers saw a 0.36% decrease in the prevalence of asthma symptoms among kids.
Now, that doesn't sound like a lot, 0.36%, but when you look at the number of children who have asthma, it's hundreds of thousands of fewer kids who reported asthma symptoms.
Fewer asthma symptoms is what Dr. Julie Holland hopes for.
As a pediatrician, we are happy to treat kids with asthma, but we would really rather prevent it.
Prevention includes avoiding environmental triggers like cigarette smoke or vaping and limiting time outdoors on air quality alert days. But Dr. Holland says respiratory illnesses remain the #1 trigger.
So if we can prevent those illnesses by a vaccine, then it makes a lot of sense that they're going to have less severe asthma.
She recommends the COVID vaccine for her patients, but says kids getting their school physicals now should hold off for the updated version.
Wait and get the vaccine in August or September when it comes out.
When we choose to get a vaccine for ourselves, it doesn't benefit just ourselves. It benefits our immediate family, but more importantly, it benefits the broader community.
Lauren Petty, NBC5 News.